Hello, Lavi! So, it's another week. So, adto na punta sa The Elixir Aesthetic Center dito sa Argao. Karon daghan tag services na i-avail sa Elixir kay it's another Saturday. So, this is edited on a weekday after the services were availed. So, today we'll be enjoying once again Korean glass skin, celestial drip, and mesolipolysis with RF and cavitation. So here we are inside their center. That will be the celestial drip. Mao na siya ang nag-contain og collagen, anti-acne, and also immunity booster. So while nag-celestial drip ta, we have ongoing facial with Giselle. Mo na siya si Giselle, guys. Alright. So Giselle is applying facial cleanser sa atong naong. It's a facial foam. And then it's going to be lathered sa face and gently massaged to remove dirt from traveling, of course, kigikan pa mata sa balay. And then afterwards, ana, apply na ang facial scrub. So after the facial cleanser is the facial scrub to remove once again the impurities, the dirt that's trapped or clogged in our pores. After the facial scrub, we will proceed to the steaming. That would be hot steam and then kulit pod, gikulit, gilugit ang mga stubborn whiteheads and blackheads sa atong ilong. So, mana siya ang pricking, guys. Medyo sakit na siya, guys. And that is the celestial drip sa atong arm. Then, after the pricking of the nose and some facial parts is the sucking of the impurities from our face. Mao na siya inyong nakita sa video. And then afterwards is the application of retinol serum on our face. Humot na siya og rose, guys. Humutan jud kay kuan na niya. It's being massaged on our face para ang mga machine na gamiton sa atong naong later on will just glide through. Mao na siya ang galvanic machine. It's used to flatten the pores and it's used for a few minutes sa naong nato. Then afterwards, ang atong mesolipolysis gi-inject na sa ato ang double chin or sa mga fatty areas sa atong face. 3 shots on the left and 3 shots on the right ang mesolipolysis, guys. So after mesolipolysis, sa face, naapunta sa arms. So once again, 3 shots to the left arm, 3 shots to the right arm. So it's very important that after the mesolipolysis, mas effective siya if RF and cavitation siya. So radio frequency plus cavitation. So mo na karon gina-apply na ang mesolipolysis through injection sa both arms nako after the face. Later on will be the RF and cavitation sa last part. So after that, we have the eye bag removal and that is what you see in the video. Gi-focus ang eye bag areas to remove mga dark circles and remove the eye bags para mas fresh atong face kintahay. Charot. So mo na siya, guys. Next part nato is the cold hammer. Mo ni siya ang cold hammer, guys. This is very pleasing to the senses. Kay grabe kabugnaw na siya, guys. And maka-relax gyud na siya na process. So it's cold to close the pores because a while ago gi-steam siya and gi-prick. So this process will close the pores para di masudlan og mga hugaw. Afterwards is also the antibacterial high frequency process wherein i-hit ang mga pores ninyo labi na katong mga gipang prick na part antibacterial para dili na mo prone og acne. So next process will be the Pico Laser. This is one of my favorite processes sa The Elixir Aesthetic Center kay ang mga dark spots ug mga acne marks ig-on sa laser, guys, para mulaya siya and mulighten eventually. Afterwards is the RF and cavitation for the face because a while ago gi-injectan ta sa mesolipolysis na injection medicine. So afterwards is the RF and cavitation para better jud ang fat burning process. And afterwards is the injection kasi ganina ang face og arms man to karon ang tummy area. Ang tummy area injekan og 3 shots on the left, 3 shots on the right gihapon para effective ang fat burning process sa inyong mga body parts. So as you can see, slowly but surely gina-inject ni Ara ang atong mesolipolysis medicine That will be for fat burning. Medyo hapdos ni siya eventually kaning mga tambala para pangpahili sa tambok. And afterwards, RF and cavitation na ang atong arms. Application of the gel is important para mo-glide through ang atong mga equipment na ginagamit. So, mo ang machine na gigamit ni Giselle, that is the Exilis machine. Lahi na siya na machine. So.
Same lang sila sa RF mo. Advanced lang yung Exilis.
Exilis ni na machine.
Pwede na siya sa piyan, sa tanang parts. Pwede siya sa likod. Pwede sa face.
Fat burning, gyapon ni.
Fat burning.
Alright, so na to sa last part, and that will be the application of gel sa atong tummy and RF and cavitation sa atong tummy as well. So this will be the final step. The application of gel, once again, is to let the machine glide through para smooth ra ang process. So afterwards, the RF and cavitation takes place. This last step is to melt the stubborn fat sa atong tummy. So, ganina ang gimelt kay ang fat sa ato ang face, sa atong double chin, next atong arms, and lastly atong tummy. So, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you on my next vlog, lovies. Bye!